Good morning. It's November 26th, a Tuesday. We got Thanksgiving here in a couple days. This is always my favorite work week just because it's short and I don't know. It's just kind of a nice work week for some reason, working the week of Thanksgiving. A lot of people aren't in the office, so it's quiet. You can get some work done, and it's always exciting to have a short week, I guess. And then on top of that, we have the biggest snowstorm probably here in the Denver metro area since 2016. So we'll try to get out there and get to the office and kind of vlog. But first task in the morning is getting some work done. I'm on call, so had a couple job failures in our marketing system here. So try to figure that out here before I even get dressed or anything. And then we'll try to get to the office. So we'll see you then. Pulling out some boots today. All right, all dressed. Time to make some breakfast. I usually just do a smoothie here, so we'll get that going. Alrighty, morning routine just about done here. Getting on the winter gear and about to make it out into the snow world. All right, moment of truth here. See how it is out there. Looks like I'm the first one to make it out of my little apartment complex, at least on my side. There's no trails of any kind. It's quite the drift. Or a bunch of drifts all over the place. Maybe jeans was a bad choice. Let's see. I think I got my work cut out for me on brushing off the truck here. It's actually not too bad. Alrighty, got the windows brushed off. The drifts around the truck are pretty high, so I'm still not even sure I'm gonna make it to work. We'll give it a shot here. Stick her in 4-wheel drive, and I might kind of reverse first. And then we'll push this off and give it a go. Oh, nice. We made it. The drift was pretty high, like I said, but it seemed to be no problem. This truck's amazing in snow. Hardly anyone seems to be out. This road usually is pretty crowded in the mornings around rush hour. It's never like a traffic jam, but it's always a solid line of cars flowing, so it's kind of nice always to be out in the snow like this when no one's around. Alrighty, just pulled up to the office. Have a big snow day like this, and almost no one shows up, so time to head in and get some work done. I'm late. Just going up the stairwell here at work. Looks like I'm the only one here on the 4th floor at my office. It's the top story here. One of 4 cars in the parking lot down there. My truck is right down there. So it's gonna be a quiet day. My boss is in Texas and he wanted me to go down and get a picture to send him because he's jealous of me. He likes snow, so we'll go down and do that, and maybe I'll film it as well. All right, it's almost 10. Time for some snacks. Been here for a couple hours and my jeans are still wet. Time to get some water. Still snowing pretty good. Back at it. All right, it's afternoon time to get some lunch. Alrighty, it's time to go get some lunch. Just after noon here. It's been a busy day. I usually go to lunch at around 11, but been overwhelmed this week. but it is nice to have the office quiet and be able to concentrate. So time to brush off the truck. Here we go. All right, heading to lunch. The roads are definitely kind of melting off, or they're scraping them off as well, obviously. Snow plows everywhere. So, yeah, here we go. Alrighty, just got Jersey Mike's. The original plan to go to Rusty Taco didn't work out. They were closed. It's kind of hard to find a place that was open around here. So Jersey Mike's was, do a little sub sandwich and head back to work. It's so quiet here today. There's no one here, but I still have to keep my voice low, just natural. Alrighty, here's a little taste of what I'm dealing with and the kind of screens I'm looking at every single day. Got Outlook for email, working in Unix, working with internal job control systems, using Toad to query both Oracle and Netezza databases, using WinSCP for some file moving stuff in Unix, and what else, using Visual Studio for source control, lots of Excel stuff, and DDL, a lot of SQL and Notepad, and a bunch of documentation and Word and all that stuff. So got a double monitor set up with keyboard, got my laptop there, phone, and yeah, the cue balls are not super high, but high enough where there's some privacy and you can concentrate. It's generally pretty quiet up here on this 4th floor, so that's nice. All right, it's just after 2:30, so I need to get back to work. It's been a busy day. Back at it. It's getting dark, getting late. It's been a busy day. Alrighty, time to get out of here, finally. Alrighty, just got in the truck here. It's almost 6:30. Kind of had a late one today, unfortunately, but yeah, the roads look to be kind of plowed off and everything, so it should be an easy drive home. We'll see you then. I was out for a drift. See if I can stop here before I go flying out. Wait for this guy and head on out. Let's see if I can drive. Alrighty, just made it home. It's dinner time. Was hoping to do a little power sliding and some donuts in a parking lot nearby, but it was all plowed off. That was everybody's goal in all the office parks today. It's like all the landscaping guys come and plow off the parking lot, so it's always a bummer. But yeah, made it home, no accidents or anything, so that's good. Let's eat. All right, back where we started. Thanks for tuning in and spending the day with me. Alrighty, peace out.